Professor, janë fut gjithë.
So, as we said, your homework is on page 1225, exercise 3 and 4. Now, let's pass to gradient from 2 points. Gradient from 2 points is a new topic. Actually, is the continuum of the previous lesson. Here we have the example 5, which is given on your book. What we have learned that if I know 2 points, then I can find the gradient. Okay, by drawing a line, it is the difference here over the difference here. But without drawing a line, so forget this line. Okay, forget this line. We have only these 2 points. If I have only 2 points, what we know, we have x1, y1, x2, y2. We have 2 different points. For this reason, the difference of this is 11 minus 3. So the gradient is 11 minus 3. So the difference of y, or let's do it in a long form to understand better the formula, is difference on y over difference on x. Difference on y, it was 11 minus 3. But what is this 11? It is this here. What is 3? This here. So it is the y pair on each point. So 11 minus 3 over, here we have, let's change the color to make it easier, 5 and 1. So 5 minus 1 is the difference on x. So the result is equal to 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8 over 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So the gradient of this equation is 2. What does it mean? If I write y equal to mx plus c, it means that this 2 and m is equal. So the equation will be 2x plus c. Okay? So according to c, then the line does not change. According to c. Line change according to 2. So the gradient or the steepness means that it doesn't matter what you take c, the steepness of this will be in this form. What is difference? The line will be here or here. So this is how we find this is how we find the gradient if you know only 2 points. Generally, we have gradient is equal to y2, this here, minus y1, which is this here, and x2 minus x1, x2, x1. So this is the formula if we know 2 points, for 2 points. So if you know 2 points of the linear equation, then what you do, you can use this. That's cool. Find the gradient of the line joining the points. We have 1, 5, and 5, 3. Again, here it is already done. It is already done for you. It is 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5, and 5 minus 1. Then the gradient here is equal to negative 1 over 2. What does it show to us? Negative 1 over 2. As you see, the previous example, what is starting lower and getting larger. Here, it's starting on 5 and is getting lower to 3. So, according to the minus sign, we say that a line that slopes up to the right has a positive gradient, A line that slopes down to the right has negative gradient. So our gradient, if it is positive, we have increasing. If it is negative, we have decreasing. Let's go on to our question. Find the gradients of the line joining these pairs. So I will do one for you. I'm doing question D because it has negatives. Okay, this is negatives. Or let's do C. Let's do C. Let's do that both C and D. The gradient of C is equal to the difference of y over the difference of x. That is, these are all x's, y's, x's and y's. That is, y here it is 5. You take 5 minus. This is minus of the formula. But for this y here, it has negative 2. So 5 minus negative 2 is equal over. Here we have 4 over negative 3. So 4 minus negative 3. Good. Minus and minus, it becomes plus. So 5 plus 2 is here 4 plus 3, because we have a minus of the formula and a minus of negative 3 here. So equal to 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 3, 7. So the result is 1. Good. We have result 1. So what does it mean? It means that our equation will be y equal to 1 times x plus c. This is an extra thing. Okay? This is an extra thing for you, but this is sufficient. Okay. Now let's do for d. What is d? G of d, the gradient of d, is equal to, again, difference of y over difference of x, which is equal to difference of y. Here we have negative 3 minus 2 over 3 minus 4. So negative 3 minus 2 is equal to negative 5 over 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. Negative 5 divided by negative 1 is equal to 5. So the gradient here is 5. What does it tell us? Again, is an extra. Y is equal to 5x plus c. So it means that this equation will be of this form. Good. Let's go on. Here, it is given question 3. The downtown youth club found that this committee meeting took longer if more members were present. This table shows how long some of the meetings took. For example, this is number of x, so that represents x. This represents y. And now we can draw a graph. Here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and so on. The same thing is here, 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, and so on. So, here, to draw this graph, we have 525. 525, it is this point here. Well, we have 10, 40, 10, 40. Actually, it would be a little bit harder for us to draw it, so let's go down, let's go down. Let's go down and select them all. Select them all. And so this will be a little bit harder. So if you go on, this is 30, 35, 40. So for the other one, what is the point? The point is 10, 40, 10, 40. It will be this here. If you draw this line, let's take a line and draw on blue, then we will have a line of this form. So to see it better, let's go down. It will be such a line. Okay? So, where does the graph cut the y-axis? Y-axis is, if I do it 0, for x equal to 0, you will see that it is cut on 5, okay? On 5. For x equal to 0, you will see that it is 5. Good. What's next? Where does the graph cut the y-axis? We did it. Find the gradient of the graph. Find the gradient of the graph. The gradient of the graph, what is, you need 2 points. Let's take this 2 points here. This one and this one. So what is this? We have this point which is 40, sorry, not 40, 10 to 40. 10 to 40. And we have this point here which is 5 to 25. Since we know 2 points, the gradient is very easy. It is delta of y over delta of x, which is y is 40 minus 25 and over 10 over 5. 10 minus 5. So the result is 40 minus 25 is 15. Sorry, that 50 over 10 minus 5, which is 5. So the gradient here is 3. So the gradient for this line is 3. What information does the gradient give us? So steepness. Steepness. So what was about the graph? Number present, time taken in minutes. So this gradient shows us how many presents we have for minute. Okay, let's go. Your homework now is page 226, exercise 2, 4, and 5. Yes, that's the lesson for today. Now, let's hear you.